Hello, I lovely kittens and little devils. Today I'll show you how to draw tails. This tutorial is beginner friendly. You'll want to start with a line to know the direction your tail will go and where it stops. Depending on your tail, you'll just trace the line and add an upside down heart to the end of it. But we'll do something more common, a wolf tail. Take a screenshot of your awk with the tail, then one without the tail. We'll use the first screenshot to get an idea of where the tail will start, also as a reference. If you need to, I recommend tracing the tail first so you'll have an idea of how to draw it in other positions. Now you'll draw the line so you have a reference of where you want the tail to go. Then you trace that line, make some adjustments, and you're done. Before we start chapter 2, I won't be getting into rendering in this video. For one reason, I just don't know how. I'll explain it. I kinda just do what feels right. When it comes to coloring, you'll pick the colors from your first screenshot. Try to make any marks on the tail as close as possible to the first screenshot. You'll want to keep the size, shape, marks or colors of your tail consistent throughout your edits, art, etc. I'm sorry, I'm not the best at explaining things, but I hoped this helped. If you guys want more tutorials, let me know which ones you want. Thank you for 1.32 thousand subs. On that note, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you, my lovely kittens and little devils.